right.
All right.
Take
So
away,
we
Neil.
welcome everyone on onespotmedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVG, and also on televisionjamaica.com. Nice to have you with us this morning. It's
Thank
nice
you.
and
It's
cool
good to be
outside.
here.
It's actually nice and cool inside
Inside
too.
as well, yes. Yes,
It
to
just-
do.
it
Good
just
morning,
nice and
my
cool.
cheap Mr. Dockericious. Thank you
Hence-
very much, Mr. Dockericious.
Me jockey. Thanks, Miss Dockery.
I love Miss Dockery.
Where's your
Miss
tiptoe?
Dockery look like, you know, when you go to church and you're not supposed to come out.
Yeah.
So I put up your hand and you just...
Where's the food, Joe? Joe's not talking to us. By the way, that is our food. She's a food blogger. She's a big thing, you know. Whenever I tease her every day like she's an ordinary person. Joe's is huge.
And you can send the invoice. Joe,
Yeah, I am our publicist. And you know, she going on like she don't happy that I'm calling up her name. That, all right? No more, where is the food, Joe? But where the food for Joe for Joe, though? You good?
Anytime now.
Anytime now you're going to be good.
I was good when I got here.
Oh, all right.
This is coffee, actually. It's coffee, too.
You know I don't drink coffee.
I have not been because my head has not been right, but I shall.
So the coffee on your head have to do with?
Caffeine and migraines don't mix.
Oh.
But I shall drink this one.
What is a migraine? Is just a different thing from a regular headache.
Dude, a migraine is something I hope
You come here about dude?
Ain't you a dude? Okay, do that.
No, that's a, you know, I'm OD, I should be Sir Dude.
Sir, do that.
Yeah. No, Sir Dude.
Sir, dude, odd. You know, say OD is perfect for you, for true. Kind of hacking them together do spell strange.
I didn't even understand what you say. Whatever.
If you're an OD,
Yeah.
then it makes you odd. And that you certainly are. So that was not a mistake, Mr. Government. Good job. Which is not to suggest that the other folks who have ODs are odd.
Okay, yeah, man, get yourself in trouble. Yeah,
We-
yeah, she said all of the people in the world who have
That's my
OD.
disclaimer.
She said,
No,
on
I
the
didn't say
strange.
that. I said
just
you.
No.
You.
All
Is it
right.
Black Friday today?
Black Friday today and
Oh,
tomorrow.
yes.
Even though
Black
tomorrow is
Saturday?
Saturday.
Not true.
It's a
Black Friday is tomorrow?
Black Friday is 2
Oh,
days,
yes,
today
yes.
and tomorrow. Put on by the RGR Greener Communications Group, so go out and get
We
your...
put on Black Friday?
Yeah, we did.
What do you mean we put on
Yes,
Black
we
Friday?
did.
No.
I'm telling you.
No, Black Friday's been doing
Yes,
for
we
years.
put on this one in a different way. I'm telling you, I had the general
An
manager.
additional one.
Yes, I had the general manager
But
here.
it's not
Yes.
just one, Nephil. There are several Black Friday
Yeah,
sales
but
even.
our Black Friday is with us and Multilink.
So how does ours work?
Huh? Listen. Yeah, then that me just say we interviewed them
Listen, why don't
yesterday.
you come and sit over here?
No, the
Manager?
I said it.
So tell me how it works.
You get discounts, 70% discounts and
Anywhere
stuff like
Multilink is?
that. No, you will see the signs at the stores that will suggest that they are a part of the Black Friday stuff. So not
So
all
it's an
stores.
RGR Gleaner Group
Yeah, and
Multilink promotion.
Yeah.
What? Good
Yeah.
job.
Yeah, man. The boss was here yesterday interviewing.
I was here Burger and Action doing a promo
Yeah,
about
we
something, but
interview
I
up
catch
the
a
boss
tail
and
end.
thing.
Oh, Mr. Allen was here talking about it?
No, the general manager of Television Jamaica.
Oh, so Claire was here talking about it?
Yes.
So it's a big thing.
Yes, sir.
So you're going to go shopping?
Yes.
Your bank account is very tall.
No,
You
my
know what
bank
I'm
account
thinking?
no time, because it's sale time. I jump in.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah,
I think it's time for you to buy a manager something.
by my manager. Right?
I think you should use the sale to just buy him something. True,
Yeah.
but you've been working for free for so long.
I don't lie. Anyway.
Free labor is good in it coming from his art, but just show him a token.
Yeah, I shall. The senior national
Arrow, you see, I'm
gymnastics
looking out for you
team
now.
will stop by to showcase their skills and flips.
Okay, and we're going to flip things around when Smile fans ask us a few hard-hitting questions.
But I think them did that already.
I love when they do that. I love that segment. We should have that segment
I
every
don't,
week.
because I don't like tell people about my business. I'm a private person.
You?
Then we'll question our producer, Shauna Tuna, on her sanity when she turns us into human ring tosses for something to smile about.
What
well, I do have
fun.
to question our sanity because I know about our sanity already.
Creole culture is definitely something to smile about. We are going to tell you its significance and tell you about this celebration later.
Patois is Creole?
Patois and Creole are often used interchangeably, but I do believe they are succinct. differences in the two.
You're bright enough. Succinct differences.
If you think I'm bright because I say succinct, that make you a little bit less.
You don't even know if you spell that. What's a celebration without some reds and whites? We take you to the wonderful world of wine when Sips and Tips rolls around.
Roll out is on the lineup.
Then we line up the techniques you need when decorating your space. But first, let's make some space for the hot topics.
Okay. Governor Rosa.
Mm-hmm.
It's really hot to see in a jacket.
Yeah, we'll take it down. I brought this up when before we came on here, when I heard this, and I wondered why a sign would cost $17 million. So they laid blocks to symbolize the commencement of a project to create a new welcome sign at the roundabout in the vicinity of the Sangsters International Airport, if you know that little roundabout. The project is to be executed by the TPDCO, the Tourism Product Development Company. It's been sponsored by the Tourism Enhancement Fund to the tune of 17 million bananas. Not everyone is happy about the money it's going to cost. I don't know if that's what it's going to look like right here. Is that what it's going to look like right there?
Or is that what Sangster? That's probably already at
no.
Sangster.
Yeah, that's the airport.
Yeah.
So then the question will be, then we not welcome them at the airport already? It's going to look more like this one, I'm told.
Other cities have landmarks. I mean, there's a wonderful sign that just went up downtown that I think is beautiful. So I don't have a problem with the sign. It's just why does it cost so much? I mean, think about it. It's supposed to be black and steel, and I guess a designer or an architect or whomever is going to... I think that's what a lot of people are wondering, why it is costing so much of the taxpayers' purse. TPDCO might have the funds in the budget, TEF might have the funds in the budget, but a lot of people are saying $17 million could buy a whole heap of other things that Mobe need, like help for the hospital, schools need X, and so on. So there's actually, I was telling you before, a hashtag that's trending now that says what 17 million could buy. And they're proposing other more, what people think are constructive ways the money could have been spent. But
the ministers ordered a review. To be fair, the ministers ordered a review to see if it really has to cost so much.
I think it's fair that we know. I mean, I don't see any problem with that.
You don't see any problem with the 17 million?
No, with us asking and knowing. As members of the public, we ought to know, we should be able to see a breakdown of the costs.
What's the next one?
Druseland residents are saying that garbage collection from the NSWMA has been so woefully inadequate that they have taken to the gully to toss their garbage.
But you know, it's part of the gully is right behind the stadium, and sometimes when I look down, you see fridge, you see old car, you see. You know, but then when the heavy waters come, then that goes right down to the sea, no?
Correct. Or whichever tributary, river, sea, whatever. Sections of the Sandy Gully that run parallel to the Druseland community in St. Andrew have been turned into dump sites as residents claim that garbage collection from the NSWMA has been inadequate. You see there on your screen some of the pictures. Well, of course, what's going to happen is that flies have visited, rats have been visited, and of course there's an unbearable stench, the residents say, as well as the eyesore that they say they have been enduring for years. It is one of our worst nightmares. One of the times Tankwell really gave us some garbage skips on the banks and the garbage trucks would come in here regular, but the people then start to throw rubbish in there and light it, and from that now, you know, the skip burns out. Oh, so they destroy the skips by lighting the skips.
Somebody said, we're not going to say that we don't know that it is wrong to put the garbage in the gully, but most time we honestly just don't have any choice. We need them to provide a bigger truck, and we need it to come more regularly. Mr. Audley Gordon, who is the executive director, said that he has ordered an investigation in the severity. He also noted that smaller trucks were usually preferred for those communities. He says due to the narrowness of some roadways, they utilize smaller units, popularly known as scouts. He says in areas where we have proven it inadequate, we will increase the number of collections in the area. Final one?
So can we look into that, Sir Gordon, and see what's happening there? Because heading on to Christmas, that's what we don't want. And I've seen other people from other communities complaining about garbage collection as well.
What's
so
the last
hopefully
one?
that won't be a problem. I'm getting there. You want me to get there now?
Yeah.
A Delta airline passenger was arrested on Wednesday after police reported that he appeared to make anti-Semitic comments. And a witness said he told Jews in the aircraft to raise their hands so he could identify them.
His name is David Twaff.
For what purpose, sir? What he did want them was to raise their hands for? What did they need to know? Funny thing is that he may be Jewish himself. So they say it's not immediately clear why he asked the Jews on the flight to identify themselves. But in that culture, with what's happening in the US now, that is a red flag. Well, when he was met by officers after the flight, he was agitated. He insisted, I'm not a bad person, and apparently frightened to have referred to a white guy with blue eyes on the plane who was, quote, just like Trump. He's a Nazi, he told the officers in a video of the encounter. Says he didn't do anything wrong, he's not attacking anybody, but he has been charged with obstruction and disorderly conduct and taken to the county jail. That's according to La Policia. Foreign is not a real place, you know? Right now, I don't really sure. Foreign is just, I don't know. Anywho, Jamaica is not a real place, more so. Watch Claire is messaging me. Claire, this is not School's Challenge quiz. Harold, Melvin, and the Blue Notes. Thank you very much.
I told you that already.
Yeah, but she was late. You can't send me that after the question and answer 15 times.
All right, happy birthday to my teenage son, Jamal. They call him Mali. He turns 13 today. His name is Jamal Brown. He's from your mom, Latoya, from your brother, Jaima, your rest of the family, Jamora, Auntie, Daima, all the family here,
Hold on,
New York.
Jamora.
Yeah, plenty J's.
Okay.
And he's Jamal. His brother is Jaim.
Jamal.
There he
Oh,
is.
look at that smile.
Yeah. All right, that's
handsome
Jamal.
young man.
Jamal, have a great day today, son. I love you, and the rest of the family, I love you too. Hold on, wait now. Happy birthday to wonderful lady, our mother, friend, and sister, Althea Harris, a.k.a. Miss Dawn. Birthday greetings from children Sharika, Shappy, Biggs, Franz, Sudi, JJ, Shem, Tavine, and Randy. From her siblings and husband, Brandy. Love you, mommy, they say.
Wow.
Plenty of people, that's the mommy here.
Kid.
There you go. Happy birthday also to our makeup artist, Tiffany Gordon. It's Tiffany's birthday today. Happy birthday,
Her birthday
Tiffany.
off.
Yeah, happy birthday today.
There with it like she never want a body now.
Yeah, and also I want to say good morning to Samantha. Samantha works at the digital store in Sovereign Center, and apparently helped out my brother Carl, and he's really, really grateful. And thank